Welcome to marketcrash.money. It appears as if the markets are going higher, but what is actually happening in reality? Well, just a handful of stocks are actually going, creating an illusion that the market is going higher. But in reality, what do you think? If you're a trader, if you're watching the markets, what do you think would actually take place if Apple was to start significantly going lower? If Amazon was to go lower, if Netflix was to go lower, if Google was to go lower, if just a handful of these so known FANG stocks, if all of them simultaneously were to go lower, I think it would be quite apparent to all the market participants that the market is definitely reversing.
Perspective, the divergence that's happening throughout the popular averages. For example, we're seeing the NASDAQ composite make all-time new highs. The S&P 500 has been barely able to push back above its 50-day moving average, and the Dow has not been able to capture its 50-day moving average. This divergence in these popular averages suggests to us that we're seeing a narrowing in overall market breadth. When you look inside of the NASDAQ composite, you will pretty much see that it is Apple, Netflix, Amazon, and Google that have been driving the NASDAQ composite higher. In fact, those stocks alone represent 30% of the overall composite. And from our perspective, we would like to see greater participation. Greater participation would be healthy. Given this narrowing in breadth, we would recommend for investors to take some profits, look at the extended stocks that you may have in your portfolio, consider trimming some of those stocks, and wait for stocks to come back in. Because while a lot of these are great companies, they don't look like great stocks to us today.
If you have been curious how to make the money when markets fall, please visit marketcrash.money and get some additional information. Specifically, I have compiled some interesting reasons why stock market crash 2010 is a definite possibility, why we could be going for another Bitcoin crash, and more importantly, how to not let the market crash or the Bitcoin crash take advantage of you. Find out how to profit. If you're a new trader or an experienced trader, but you're looking for new ideas, new ways, how to take advantage of the market fall, because quite honestly, markets do fall much, much faster than they go up. So it represents, for a trader, a great opportunity to profit on the opposite direction of the market in a much shorter time frame, and oftentimes maximize much bigger returns. So if interested in knowing the ways how I trade weekly options for huge profits as much as 3,800% to 5,000% on certain days, get in touch with me. Visit this link right here, how to profit, read some information, and schedule your consultation. I'll be glad to help out and get somebody on the right track and show you some of my profitable ideas and share some experience which I've accumulated over the last 30 years trading weekly options. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you soon.